kind of overwhelmed with the energy of the people here, but I never attended such an event where I can see a lot of happy people. So I am very happy to be part of it, and welcome to the Victory Seminar. Well, actually, I like the name Victory because my father's name is Masaru, which means victory in Japanese. So welcome to my father's seminar.
Oh, Victory.
Yes, so today I'm gonna talk briefly about our work with the water crystal photography and also the effect of your products.
Ini untuk menjawab semua untuk orang-orang yang Hexagonal.
Okay, so this is the book titled Messages from Water,
Dan
published
Bioglass.
20 years ago. This is the collections of the photographs of water crystals that we captured. We use the microscope to see the water crystals. And it's a frozen water crystals, and then it shows as a design of a vibration. Well, the book was self-published, only 10,000 copies was printed, but it spread out throughout the world. At this point, translated into 45 different languages and published in 75 countries. Sold well over 5 million copies. Thank you. And including the Indonesian version too. And this book became very popular in the US. It was being ranked in the New York Times bestseller list for 25 weeks. Not only USA, but also in Europe and in South America and in Asia and Middle East, this book spread out. The reason why this book became popular is that because we don't know much things about water. There's so many mystery things about water. For example, water is the substance which can be vapor, liquid, and solid. And water is the heaviest at 4 Celsius degree. Water dissolves a lot of things. Those things scientists still don't find the answer. So we don't know much thing about water, but if you think about the water, water is the source of life. And most importantly, we're 70% water. So if we don't know about water, that means we don't know ourselves. So this book is giving new ideas what water is. And especially, this is suggesting water memory. Water can memorize the information. So I show you some examples of the water crystals, starting from the tap water. This is the tap water from Tokyo. Tokyo's tap water is treated by chlorine, and then it kills the energy. This is tap water from India, Los Angeles. Vancouver looks. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so most of the tap water do not show good water crystals. And then now I show you example of natural water crystals. This is the beautiful water crystal from near Mount Fuji in Japan. Well, this is a very beautiful water crystal, and the water there is so pure. And there's a Okay, so this is the water from the Sumida River in Tokyo. This is the biggest river in Tokyo, but it's polluted and it shows so. This is water crystal from the local spring water from Mount Gete in Indonesia. This is the only water crystals we took from Indonesian natural water, and it looks very beautiful. This is the crystal from Lake Madrid, Switzerland. It's also beautiful. But this one, water crystal from Columbia Glacier, Canada. I think there's a less energy because there's a hole inside, in the center. This is the water crystal from Niagara Falls in Canada, and this looks very unique. This is from River Ganges, India. This is the upper stream, the water. It shows a beautiful water crystal. And this is also from Peru actually. Machu Picchu is a World Heritage place, and the water there is pure and also receive a lot of energies. Okay, so this is the last water crystal from natural, from Zamzam. Sacred water from Saudi Arabia, and this shows very unique shape because it's like double water crystals. So as you can see, the water, pure water, natural pure water shows beautiful hexagonal shape. But on the other hand, the water, tap water, polluted water, or the polluted water from the river did not show beautiful water crystal shape. We've been doing this experiment for 20 years. So good water shows this experiment. We did the experiment for 6 times, and then this one, controlled water, is a distilled water, which shows simple water crystal shape usually. So from one sample, we tried 50. So out of 50 times, how many water crystal we can observe. Okay, so this is 1 hour after we placed the bioglass in the water. You see the shapes of the water crystal became so beautiful, and also there are more numbers of the good-looking water crystals. Next one is 24 hours after we placed the bioglass in the water. Well, this shows the energy in the water maintains. And we did it 40 hours after. And then it shows still beautiful water crystals.
Mantap.
And then another test, we put water through the bioglass for 24 times and 48 times. And then we took the water crystals. Well, actually, this is a graph. It shows there are more water crystals.
24 jam ada 8 dan 48 jam setelah dikeluarin masih ada 10 water crystal yang baik.
Okay, this is another experiment. This is a control water. Okay, so after we put the water through bioglass for 20 times, you see the result.
Anda bisa melihat hasilnya.
Hexagonal water crystals. And this is 40 times in such many beautiful water crystals. So in conclusion, bioglass makes the water, energize the water, created the hexagonal water crystals. Hexagonal shape is the most ideal energy for the water. Yes. So that is why it works to heal, some disease or any other conditions. Yes. So thank you very much.
Oke, terima kasih. Waktu saya habis. Tepuk tangan untuk Dr. Hiro Emoto, Bapak Ibu.